Hello! I would like to share with you how to best use the AgeLess Zen anti-aging natural skincare system. These premium natural products are scientifically formulated to help you revitalize, restore, and nurture your natural, youthful skin. At the end of your busy day, before bed, start your nightly ritual to cleanse and refresh. If you need to remove makeup or just the environmental contaminants from the day, use your makeup remover or the refreshing AgeLess Zen Splash Facial Cleanser. The AgeLess Zen Splash Cleanser contains the Asian beauty secret of using the anti-aging ingredients such as manuka honey for antibacterial, with a touch of cinnamon oil and pearl dust for a fine exfoliation. Simply use a few pumps of the cleanser on your hand and mix it with some warm water. Gently perform a massage light scrub of your skin for a minute or two to remove makeup and any excess oil or pollen and dust of your face. This is very refreshing. This amazing cleanser won't dry out your skin. It feels so good every night after using it. Your face will feel clean but not dry. It's amazing. Next, let's do a little face skin exercise. By exercising your delicate skin pores by using hot, cold rinse, this opens and closes the pores and help them become more elastic. First, let warm to slightly hot water flow over your favorite face washcloth. Then, apply the wet washcloth to your face and hold for 5 to 10 seconds or so to help open the pores. Repeat this 3 to 4 times. Then, use cold water in the same manner to help close your pores. Repeat this 3 to 4 times. While you sleep, nourish, tighten, and revitalize. Now, while your skin is still moist, pump 3 times the AgeLess Zen Nightly Cream, then gently massage, apply a thin layer of the cream to your forehead, face, neck, and décolleté area. This amazing night cream is formulated to nourish and help to firm and tighten your skin while you sleep. Do not wash off the night cream until morning. The scientifically formulated product uses sea berry, aloe, niacinamide, a peptide matrix of natural collagen, elastin, and anti-inflammatory ingredients, along with white willow bark extract, which are all built into this invisible mask to both stimulate and nourish your skin all night long. Note, when first using the system, wait 15 minutes. If you feel the night cream invisible mask has too much tightening for your comfort, then use a spray or 2 of the AgeLess Zen Hydration Serum Mist. It instantly refreshes your skin and lessens the tightening feel. You will feel so relaxed before bed and sleep well, knowing the AgeLess Zen Night Cream is working its revitalizing, restoring, and youthful magic on your skin. Daily Ritual. It's an amazing feeling to wake up in the morning with a firmer, softer skin and looking more rested. To start your day, put a few pumps of the AgeLess Zen Splash Face Cleanser on your hand and mix with warm water to gently massage clean, then rinse your face for a minute with warm water. This cleanser is refreshing and invigorating. When washing or showering, close your eyes so not to let any residue of the product into your eyes. Then, perform a final rinse with some cold water. After the light cleanse, then apply the AgeLess Zen Hydration Serum Mist to your forehead, face, neck, and décolleté area. It acts as a toner without alcohol. The hyaluronic acid in the serum mist gives your skin a little extra moisturization and helps prep your skin before applying the AZ Daily. The AZ Daily Chew contains antioxidant, vitamins, and natural oils from plants. It hydrates the face, neck, and décolleté instantly. AZ Daily suggested use is to apply 2 to 4 pumps of this daily product and massage it lightly onto forehead, face, neck, and décolleté. Or if you have drier skin, or if you are living in a drier climate, arid or mountain climate, you may choose the AgeLess Zen Daily Extra Cream. It contains ceramide complex and peptide, essential vitamins, and natural plant oils to give the skin extra nutrition and moisturization. Note, by the way, if you have combination skin, you can use the daily lotion on your oiler areas and the daily extra cream on your drier areas of the face. AgeLess Zen anti-aging natural skincare system is easy to use. You can mix and match depending on your skin conditions of the day. It's perfect. Apply makeup. Note, if you use a sunscreen, which is probably a good idea if going out, apply sunscreen before makeup after the daily ritual. If you wear makeup, go ahead now and apply your makeup. Keep as an option through the day the AgeLess Zen Hydration Mist, which feels great and leaves your skin refreshed and looking fantastic. Now you are ready for the day. Now you are taking great care of your skin. It will give you that lasting, youthful look each and every day.